Let's get our soup ready. Our stew ready. Gonna be having a nice stew today. The second one with I know some of you guys will be thinking that I want to mix
jollof rice.
Jollof rice. I actually want to make stew, not jollof rice. But because I'm already cooking and the kids have already eaten, on our way back we pick a takeaway which they eat in the car. So because of that, I'm not in a hurry to cook. So I'm just going to put this in the oven, let it roast, and then while I make the soup that I'm making over there. Look at the soup I'm making here. I even ended up adding the leftover meat that I never wanted to add. Because when I change the pot, then I just add it. I'm taking out the seed that I need for planting. Ooh. into the oven. That's it. This paste is so good.
Yeah, so please.
I should just get back from playing. You went to drive bicycle or football?
Football.
You went to the field? You came and said I've already done cooking the soup. So now I'm making stew for rice.
Are we also eating rice?
Yeah, we're eating rice now.
That's all.
You don't want to?
Oh.
You have enough already? Guys, it looks like I actually have enough from the takeaway we take when we're coming back from home. Did you have enough from there?
Little bit.
Okay, no cooking then. Fish stew. You can have fish stew and rice.
Okay.
Guys, I'm burning all my body. All my face is burned from this fish. That's why you see I don't fry fish. If I don't fry things, even the fish are pieces there because of me running and not paying. Look at oil everywhere. Frying fish is not for me. You guys that fry fish, I don't know how you people do it. Do you have to jump? Even I've low you already.
Okay, now I have to go so far away.
And the cover is not here. If I was in the kitchen, I'll just take the cookie today is a disaster. And then I'll put a little bit of that. The rice.
It smells so good.
Smell fish stew. Just wash the rice. Now the rice is gonna boil again. Let's put something salt.
Ja.
So now the rice is gonna cook.
Was ist passiert?
Stew is ready.
Nein, das verstehe ich nicht. Ist dir gefallen?
Stew is ready. Only the rice. So I'm gonna be cleaning everywhere now so that they can come and eat.
Ashley.
Food is ready, guys. Food is ready. Thank you for cooking with me. See you guys later.